Hi, this is Ms. Hernandez, and I wanted to do a quick review on our Google Classroom. Most of you are familiar how to do homework in Google Classroom using our editing tool, but maybe you've forgotten that we've edited to make it easier for you. So I'm going to guide you on another way to do your homework on Google Classroom that some students might really enjoy. So when you open your Google Classroom, it's loading for me. And the kids will have several classes. You will go to your trimester 2. And I'm going to use as an example, the homework packet. So a quick review, when you log into Google Classroom, at the bottom here, you will see the stream. Here you see the classwork. I prefer to go to classwork because it organizes everything by date. When I tap here on the classwork, I see the Zoom link, I see the student portfolio, I see all my things organized by date. This is the week of November 30th to December 4th. This is the work that we turned in Google Classroom. And I'm going to go ahead and open the homework packet for this week. When I open the packet, you have your instructions. Some of you have at the bottom a screen that says your work. If you tap on that arrow that says your work, you will get to this yellow square that says distance learning. A lot of you are familiar how to open the packet already, and most of you use the editing tool, that's the pencil. Today, I want you to use that little square up here in the corner. That is right there, will take me to Google Slides. In Slides, I can edit my homework, I can type, I can drag items without having to go back and forth or without using the pencil. To use Google Slides, you just tap, press where you want to type, double tap, then you double tap wherever you want to type, and the text boxes will open for you. You can type your name there. For the writing, you just double tap 2 times, and then you are able to type over the homework packet. You double tap on the next line 2 times. I even included instructions right here at the corner. Double tap on every line to tap. And if I do that, I can type directly onto my page without having to zoom in and out. All my editing tools work the same. I go to my next page, double tap 2 times wherever I want to type. Once I am done doing my work, I touch the back arrow that's next to classroom. Over here on the corner, it says classroom. So I'm going to click on classroom on the corner all the way on the top. Then from here, I got to make sure that I turn in my work. You guys are familiar with the submit or turn it in. If you forget to press that submit or turn it in, I don't get notified that your work is done. It gets marked as not turned in. If I just type any assignment, it would say missing or not turned in if you forget to press that button. So please remember to tap on that button to submit your work.